Sorry guys, I don't have a camera guy or anything. This is like film crew. Just wanted to start today. Gonna be messing with the Volkswagen Rabbit diesel 5-speed pickup truck. We're lowering it. And I always love those memes on Facebook about the crappy mechanic tips, like cutting off the valve stems, the tires, because they're tracking your car, getting the antifreeze out of your radiator in the summer or else it'll mess up your car, stuff like that. But I'm going to start a new part, subcategory. I don't know what you call it. I think they maybe a thread. Beats me. I'm dang near 40. Of tips and tricks working on your vehicles. So here's one. If you didn't know about this, take my word for it. I'm not a professional. So I'm taking off bolts that I do not want to come out while I'm driving because it holds the entire wheel assembly on the back of this little Volkswagen. It's got 4 bolts in it, and it's a drop bracket for the lowering kit. So anywho, I don't want it to come off, but if I have to, I don't want it to be tough to come off either. So what I do, what I've done for a long time, is I take AntiSeize and good old red thread locker, and I mix them together. That way it'll hold really well and it'll come off easy if you ever need to get it off of the vehicle. So all I'm gonna do, mix it together, slap it on the threads, stick those babies in, and I never am gonna have to worry about them ever again until I do. So more tips and tricks later. Stay tuned. Have a good one.